This message is for seniors, and it's coming from a senior. Today we're going to have a conversation around hurricane preparedness. Important during this hurricane season that we prepare our homes for the season. So if your roof needs straps, now is the time to do that. If you recognize that there's some loose galvanized sheets, now is the time to fix those sheets. If you recognize that the water, you need containers to store water. If we recognize that our properties cannot withstand the winds, identify the closest shelter to you and share that information with a neighbor, share it with a family member, but don't just pick up and go to the shelter. Let somebody know exactly where you're going. Our first assignment as we speak today, we need to pack our emergency kit. In addition to the food and the water that we will take, what's very, very important is our medication, because most of us are on some kind of medication. So it's important that you take your medication with you, and also your personal documents in plastic. You put them in some Ziploc bags, so you walk with a passport. You make sure you have your ID card, make sure you have your ATM card. We need to make sure we have a torch, and we have extra batteries. We need, if we are wearing, if you need feminine hygiene, or if seniors, you're wearing the diapers, you need to pack those as well. And in this emergency kit that you're packing, you don't go in there for anything at all. Put the little alcohol, put the smelling salts, put the Panadols, food stuff like the canned tuna, and you know that you're not going in there. And of course your medication will be in there. And equally important, if you like to read, or if you like to do Scrabble, or if you like to fix puzzles, put some form of recreation in that emergency kit as well. Because you're not going to be just sitting down listening to the wind howl. You need to engage your mind and to take it away from what's happening on the outside. You need to get into a mode of preparedness, and it must start now. As I speak, we must prepare today, because we don't know what tomorrow brings.
This message is brought to you by the Department of Emergency Management.